Okay, family, I had to come to the pig. I'm gonna cook me some neck bones today. So y'all gonna get a cooking video. And the neck bones that I bought yesterday, it was only 5 in there when I opened the pack, so that ain't gonna be enough. So I see you when I get inside. I'm gonna have to get a buggy, cause I know they got it where if you spend over 10, you'll get a 24 pack of water for 99 cents. That Pure Life water right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I got my paprika. I needed that. And I need some Tony's Creole. I'm gonna get some Tony's Creole seasoning. $2.97. I'm waiting on them. They putting out some fresh neck bones. So that's a good thing I came early this morning. Wait a minute, I can get this paprika. I just seen another one. It's a little bit cheaper. This one right here. So that's $1.11. So we'll get that one. I need some accent, but I don't see it. Move on down here, fam. Dang, they done took that accent up high. Shoot, a little ball is, this right here is $3.19, and this ball right here is $4.96. So I'm gonna well get this right here. This is good. I'm gonna do the lazy way and get me some, make some cornbread, because I'm gonna do some yams and green beans. What is that for 79 cents? Keep me from having to wash pans. I'm gonna use one of these little forward pans, because I'm gonna do my neck bones. It's gonna be baked. So I'm gonna get this. That pan. They got it 2 for $2.22. So that's $1.11 for that pan. Got me a little brown gravy. They got it 2 for $1. Okay, I got these. It's $7.90. That's a good deal. And I guess everybody was waiting on the damn neck bones, because they all hoboed over there buying. I guess everybody wanted the neck bones today, babe. I got some brown rice. I don't like the texture of that brown rice. I know it's better for you, but I'm gonna get this. I want me some white rice with it. And it's $1. Wait a minute, I can get a bigger bag for $1.88. What's the expiration date on it? This one right here is $1.88. So I'm gonna get this. This a 2 pound. That's a pound. I'm gonna try this. Somebody told me to try these, that these some better sweet potato yams. So I'm gonna try this can here. It's $3.33. So I'm gonna try this can right here. Alright, this is all I'm getting. And I'm gonna get my 24 pack of water for 99 cents. Look at here. Do y'all remember these windmill cookies? I used to eat these things when I was little. I think they, what was they, 35 cents? My mama used to buy these things for me. Almond windmill cookies. Now they $1.35. I'm gonna get some. Now, family, I done came out of Piggly Wiggly, in which that pan that rung up, the one that I showed you guys, that it had 2 for $2.22. It rung up $2.25. So I asked the young lady, I said, well, how much did that pan ring up? She said $2.25. I said, well, y'all got it over there 2 for $22, and you got a whole lot of them. They didn't want to honor their mistake. And then she want to have an attitude because I told her to take it off. Didn't say thank you, I'm sorry, or nothing. Because like I told her, I can get that cheaper at Dollar Tree. So take it off. These folks in customer service, some of them don't know how to treat customers. Honey, woo! to God. Glory to God. Today is Sunday. I'm not finna let that devil get it. I ain't finna let that devil mess with me. Not today. Not today. Because for the simple fact, if you don't want to be at work, then, honey, you shouldn't have came to work. You should have called in. But I'm going to run in this Dollar Tree and get my pan. Because I don't want to wash no dishes. And they need to sweep their darn parking lot. Because it's a mess over here. Alright, fam. I'll see you when I get out. Okay, fam. I done made it home from the pig. I done put my neck bones in here. So they soaking. Y'all see how nasty they is. Always thoroughly clean your neck bones. That part right there, that little white part up in that groove, I'm going to clean that out. Cut that off. And I'm going to put some vinegar in there to help clean it. And a little bit of salt. And I'll be right back. They are washed and cleaned real good. So I'm going to get ready to season. I'm going to have to use 2 of these pans right here because I got a lot. So this is going to be 2 days worth of food. I don't have to cook tomorrow. So I'm going to show you the season that I'm going to use. I got some paprika, accent, soul food seasoning, Tony's Creole, complete, onion powder, garlic powder, Maggie's chicken bouillon, black pepper. I cut up me 1 whole onion, and I'm going to cut up another onion for that pan. So let's start putting the meat in here. Okay, I'm going to add some paprika on here. About 2 tablespoons, fam. Give it a little color. If I can get it to come out. Because it's coming out mighty slow. Hold on, fam. I finally had to take the top off. Okay, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of this accent. Okay, my Tony Creole. I say about 1/2 teaspoon of that. Onion powder. You want to season your food. Don't be scared of seasoning your food now. Seasoned salt. Powder. I only got a little bit of Maggie's left, so I'm going to put half in here and half in the other pan. Add some Maggie's. Make sure I have some left. Okay. Black pepper. And complete. I know y'all probably saying, that's a lot of seasoning. No, it's not. No, it's not. Trust and believe, fam. So I'm going to mix it up and I'm going to come back. Okay, I done seasoned both of them. I got one with a red bell pepper and one with a yellow bell pepper. I went ahead and threw those on there. So I got my stove set to 375. And I'm going to bake these for 3 hours. In about 1.5 hours, I'm going to check them. And then put them back in there. So stay tuned. Alrighty, fam. Let's check it and see how it looks. Ooh, it's coming along. Another 1.5 hours. Okay, here's the other one. Ooh, it smells so good, fam. Alrighty, fam. I got my yams on. Got my rice on. I got my bread on. And I got these on a few more minutes. Just a few more minutes. And they'll be done. And my dishes are clean. I done washed up all the dishes. Alright, fam. Here's the end results. Happy Sunday. Thumbs up.